Hello everyone and good morning. This is MSK Entertainment Films and you're watching Excel tutorials. Today we are going to talk about drop down list. But first I would request you all to subscribe my channel for further videos and kindly press the bell icon. Okay, so now back to tutorial. As I've already written these names over here, and whatever title you want to give, you can give it, but as I'm allocating some cities to these individuals, so I have given the name city. Now in the drop down list, I have already created a list on sheet 2 for the cities, and these cities are located in Canada. Now what I have to do is come to sheet 1, I select this all column, and then after that I will go towards the data, click it, and after that I go to the data tool, click on data validation. As you click on the data validation, this window will open. After this you will click on the setting. If it's not clicked, you will click on it, and then in the allow title you click on this icon and move towards list. You will select list from here. Now the next step you have to do is to click on the source. As our source is in sheet 2, so you will have to click on sheet 2 and select all of the cities. Next what you have to do is either you press enter or you can click on this and press OK. So from here, next you have to click on this and allocate the cities. Let's suppose Bob is living in this city, Steve is living in this one, Alex in Calgary, Hunter in Barrie, John here, Abbotsford, Rob here, Snow, Brampton, and Rock. Let's suppose he is living in Cambridge. Now you might be thinking that why it is colored. You can also remove it, as it is my old file, so you can remove it by this using the format. Just select this, click on format, and these all will come in the same color, or either you can click on here, click on format, and it is changed. So this is for today's tutorial. I would request you all to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.